Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a video campaign inside the Pinterest ads platform. So once we are in the platform, we can start creating a new campaign. And this will be this time a video campaign, a video completion campaign we talked about earlier for brand awareness. And now you can start giving all the details of the campaign, like the name of the campaign, and then decide the campaign objective, active or paused, or the campaign status. Then we can also decide the budget. So we want to give a performance plus budget or a fixed budget, we can do that. And then we can decide the schedule, whether you want to run the campaign right away or at a future date. Then we can give the ad group name as well. And here we decide our targeting strategy. So this is going to be more about a brand awareness, which we are looking at. So we are going to look for finding new customers. And this is where you can do now your audience targeting. So here you can select, you can search, let's say we're looking at in this manner, or we can just say people interested in digital marketing. So you can choose your audience targeting in this particular way and then choose your demographics here. Once you set up that, then we can look at optimization. The bidding strategy is performance plus bidding, which is an automated bidding strategy, which will try to generate as many video completions as possible within the lowest cost. Then finally, we can go ahead and create or add the new pin for this. Here you can upload your new pin. So we have uploaded the pin over here, and now you can select the board. Let's say this is from our board, and then we can give all the details. In this manner, you can go ahead and give the details. And finally, in the destination link, you can give the link of the page, where you want to drive the traffic. So once we provide all this information, then we can create the ad. You can see now, this is how the ad is getting created. This is a video ad, which we have built out now, which is going to show up in this particular manner. We can give our destination URL right here. Once we provide all this information, then we can publish the campaign. This is how a video campaign, a video completion campaign for brand awareness can be built out. Okay. And you can run this on the Pinterest platform.